But this is a unique moment in history. That old way of thinking is dead. Social media, the internet, has changed everything. This is the first time in the history of the world where information is readily available to everybody. No matter your race, your religion, how much money you make, anybody can go on YouTube, on Google, and empower themselves. They say the ancient library in Egypt was the most vast library in the history of the world until they burnt it down. They burnt it down on purpose. But when they burnt it, they said thousands of years of information was gone. In your cell phone right now, 10 times that amount of information is in your cell phone right now. This is the most powerful device ever created in the history of civilization. And most of us use it for all the wrong reasons. Everything that you need to succeed is in your pocket. But we still make excuses. We still blame other people for our shortcomings.